Robin, told Winnie the Pooh to the very muddy place.
Rolling around in a mucky mud puddle as part of a clever plan to get some honey.
And rolled until he was fully boiled.
There, now. Isn't this a clever disguise?
What are you supposed to be?
I'm a little black rain cloud. I'm a little black rain cloud, of course.
Silly old bear.
Now, would you aim me at the bees? No, would you aim me at the bees, please?
Hold on tight. Hold on tight.
Yes.
4.
Yes.
3.
Yes.
3.
Yes.
2.
Yes. 1. Just a little black rain, hovering the honey tree. I'm only a little black rain, pay no attention to little me.
Everyone knows that a rain cloud never rains honey. Not as if.
I'm just rolling around over the ground, wondering where I will drip. Christopher Robin, I think the bees, SUSPECT something.
Perhaps they think you're after their honey.
Well, it may be that. You never can tell with bees. Oh, I'm just a little black rain cloud hovering the honey tree. Christopher Robin! Well, I think it would help in this deception if you would just kind of open your window and say, tut tut, it looks like rain.
Tut tut, it looks like rain. Tut tut, it looks like rain.
Christopher Robin, I have come to a very important decision. These are the wrong sorts of bees. Excuse me, please, bees. Christopher Robin! Oh, bother. Oh, bother. I think I shall come down. I think I shall come down. Christopher Robin. You never can tell with bees. You never can tell with bees. You never can tell with